So I'm actually getting ready to go to the Morphe store right now, which is crazy because it's like, what time is it? It's 6:40 right now, and traffic is already crazy because, you know, Houston traffic. I'm determined to get there before the store opens just to make sure I get something from the collection and I can post it now. And I'm really nervous. I barely slept. Like, this doesn't happen with beauty products. Like, yeah, I get nervous thinking, oh my god, what if I don't get one? But it's never like I can't sleep over it. Yeah, I'm just trying to get ready for that, so I just don't look crazy all day, and hopefully my makeup lasts all day so that when I do get something, I come back and I play with it and go with my beauty blender. And I just wanted to document this because, yeah, I do vlog most of the week, but I don't know if this is gonna be its own separate vlog, or maybe it'll go into the vlog. I'm filming this bit on my big camera. Like I said, I'm just trying to go fast here. Fast as I can, just a light beat. And it's so cold outside, so I don't even know if this light sleeveless hoodie is going to cut it. It's like 40 degrees outside. I just hope it's not crazy because I hate crowds. I hate being at the mall when it's too crowded. And I'm going to the Houston Galleria, so I hope everyone goes to school. Everyone's going to work. Forgetting how to do makeup. I almost forgot my concealer. I just hope it's not too much traffic. Usually on Fridays it lights up. I just remember that. But the sooner I can get there, the better. I'm dehydrated. Okay. Brows. George just left like 30 minutes ago. I made him breakfast and he's out the door. And I want to pick up a coffee on my way there, but I don't even know if I should. Maybe I should. Just in case I hit traffic, I can be sipping on my coffee. This eyebrow always gives me a little bit more problems. All I know is that I'm ready to buy the full collection, and I'm gonna try to get as much as I can so I can do a giveaway or two. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to my eyes. I think I'm just gonna do my lip balm. Okay. I just need to go brush my hair a little bit and I'm good to go. All right, let's go. Just got to the parking garage after like an hour of traffic. It is less than 2 hours until the Morphe store opens. I am hoping there's no one in line, which I'm highly doubting, but fingers crossed there's nobody there. There's no huge antic, and I'm the only crazy person in Houston that actually came to the store. So yeah, I'm about to go inside. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Okay, let's go inside. Let's see what we can find. I see some people in the mall already. This is crazy. All the stores are closed, and I can hear my voice in the echo. There's a completely different vibe in here. So empty. Pulling up to the Morphe store. There's a couple of people waiting.
Manager of the Morphe
Okay, so I'm back in the car and I'm out of breath. That was crazy, but not in the sense that it was unorganized. My Morphe store just made me so proud. Seriously, they had this down. There was no chaos, no confusion. There were rules. I made friends. I bonded with people. I mean, the love for Shane, and he better know this, the love for Shane is unreal. I'm so happy and extremely excited. Now I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna start filming with this stuff ASAP.